Hello, Namaste, Salam, Sastyakal. I'm your Zamir from Tech Informer, and today I have come back with a brand new video. In this video, I am going to suggest you 5 applications you should know how to use them in 2021. So, without wasting further time, let's get straight into the video.
In Android 11 stable build, we do have an option called double tap. By using this, you can perform this kind of activities. Not only this, app launchers, screenshots, and much more. Now, the same feature can be performed on any Android by using an application called TapTap. Previously, it was not working properly in some Xiaomi devices. Now, after new beta update, it's working perfectly in every device. This application machine learning has been improved a lot and new action and categories have been added. They have also provided a new gesture activities as well. For example, I have selected an action of screenshot. When I have double tapped on this panel, it captures a screenshot. You can select the activities which you want. It might be an app launch, an action. Just select the action which you wanted to. Try this application and let me know in the comments below what's your rating on this application. Ads are everywhere, especially in some apps, games, and websites. I'm not against these developers who develops the free applications. They'll generate this revenue by using this ads, but such applications will cross their limits by showing such type of vulgar ads and skippable video ads. These type of ads will affect your overall user experience. Adaway is the most popular application available in the market right now, but most of the people doesn't install this application thinking that it requires root permission, but it also includes a VPN based ad blocker. That means by connecting to a VPN based DNS server, it can blocks all the ads. By one single tap, you can block all the system UI and browser ads. Guys, you can see this is an example in which I have used ad away. You can see every ad has been blocked by this application. I would like to recommend this application. Definitely try it once and let me know in the comments below. In Hash 3 we have an application called Open in WhatsApp. Basically we need to add or save a contact to send a message in WhatsApp. But by using this application you can easily send a message in WhatsApp without adding a contact. I found this application useful in my day-to-day usage. I thought to share this trick with you. Just you need to select a country name and enter the phone number and just click on open. It will redirect to a chat page where you can send a message without adding their contact. In Hash 4, I would like to recommend this application called AOD Notify, which uses your DueTop or else punchhole display to notify your update. You can also use this type of edge screen lighting, cool animations. You can select the color of this edge lighting and you can select this type of font. You can add this widget such as a time, notification, music player and much more. Previously it was only for AMOLED and OLED panels. By using this type of animations, you can absolutely customize your home screens. Looks really cool. Do not worry, I'll be providing all the applications links in the description box below. Check it out and let me know in the comments below which animation you have liked the most. Last but not least, in Hash 5 I would like to recommend this application called Waze. This is a navigation and traffic alert application which I use in my day-to-day life, which helps you to reach your destination faster than other navigation applications. They have included such shortcuts which takes you to the route where the traffic is less. It's a most advanced application currently available on the Play Store. It alerts you when a traffic signal ahead. They have also included such type of features like allow dirt roads, 2D and 3D viewer experience. You can also set your speed limit, included dark or light mode. They have also included Spotify, YouTube Music, Amazon Music and such type of other applications to improve user experience. These are the 5 applications which I would like to suggest to you.
Guys, That's it for today. Love you all. Take care. This is Amir signing off. Catch you in my next video.